Hi, I'm Jenny. Today I have something super cool for setting up your home office. Do you know that feeling when you have a million tabs open on your laptop? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. What is it, Jenny? It's this amazing Amazon find, a portable folding laptop monitor. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for doing multiple tasks at once. Imagine being able to split your screen and focus on different projects at the same time. Wow, that sounds incredible. How does it work? It's simple. You just plug it into your laptop and you're ready to go. More screen space for your spreadsheets, creative projects, or binge sessions. Plus, there's a deal today, so everyone wins. You can get a 25% discount. That's great! Where can I place my order for the Apildella portable laptop screen extender? You just need to click the link below in the description to get to the official Apildella 14 inches triple laptop screen extender site. Believe me, once you try it you won't know how you managed without it. Thank you, Jenny. You always find the best stuff. That's right. Remember that here I show you the best validated products that exist in the market. Subscribe to make informed purchasing decisions and find the best deals.